Hello everyone, welcome to Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I will show you how to change the page margin in Google Docs. So let's start the video. At first, open your document. Now go to File from the top menu. Then go to Page Setup. A window will appear with different page settings. At the bottom, you will see the margin section. Here you can change the top, bottom, left and right margins by entering your preferred measurement. Once you are done, click OK to apply the changes. And there you go. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.